So visual storytelling also lends itself very well to microlearning because video is a great medium to deliver microlearning content. You need short bursts of content that people can view anytime, any place, and that doesn't mean you can't necessarily tell a story with those short videos. So for example, you can have a how-to series where a person starts with video 1 and learns the first step of how to do something. Then video 2 is the second step, third step, fourth, and then your story is complete when the person is educated. During those videos, you can also use tactics like cliffhangers. Cliffhangers are great for short video because you get the person interested in what's coming next in the second part of the video, the third part, and so on. So think about cliffhangers from your favorite shows or movies. You can apply those in a training environment with microlearning videos.